VidCap AI is an absolute game changer if you're creating videos and need captions fast. Whether you're making YouTube content, social media videos, or even training material, this new software is changing the way we generate captions. But before you dive in, let me break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about VidCap AI to see if it's right for you. Stick around, because you'll want to hear what I'm going to say next. First off, VidCap AI is an AI-powered tool that automatically generates accurate captions for videos in minutes. Whether you're looking for speed or accuracy, this software has been designed to deliver captions with minimal effort on your end, saving you time and frustration. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. Now let's talk about its accuracy. VidCap AI uses advanced speech recognition algorithms to capture every word, even in noisy environments. This means that whether your video has background music or several people talking, the software still does an incredible job at identifying and transcribing what's being said. I've tested it on a variety of video types, and I was impressed with the precision, especially when compared to other captioning tools out there. One of the best things about VidCap AI is how it handles multiple languages. Unlike many AI captioning tools that only support a handful of languages, VidCap AI offers multilingual support, making it ideal for global creators. Whether you're working in English, Spanish, or even Mandarin, VidCap AI can generate captions in your desired language without the need for external translation. Another major benefit is how customizable the captions are. You're not just getting a one-size-fits-all solution. VidCap AI lets you adjust font size, style, color, and placement of the captions to match your branding. This is particularly valuable for creators who want to ensure their captions align with the look and feel of their videos without needing an external video editing tool. VidCap AI also offers one-click export options, which is a major time saver. You can download the captions in multiple formats, including SRT, VTT, and even plain text, which is perfect for uploading to YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform that requires caption files. This feature really speeds up the post-production process and allows you to focus on what matters most, creating great content. But here's something you need to keep in mind. VidCap AI isn't just about captions. It's also about video accessibility. By providing accurate and customizable captions, you're making your content more accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. This opens up your content to a whole new group of viewers and increases engagement in the long run. One downside, though, is that VidCap AI is still a relatively new software, so it might have a couple of kinks here and there that need ironing out. For example, it can sometimes misinterpret slang or very complex speech patterns, but for the most part, it's far more accurate than many other AI captioning tools I've used. To wrap it up, VidCap AI is hands down one of the best AI-powered captioning tools I've come across recently. Whether you're a YouTuber, a business creating training videos, or someone working with content across different languages, VidCap AI simplifies the process of adding accurate, customizable captions to your videos. And like I mentioned, you can try it completely free from the first link below. If you're like me and you've tried tons of AI tools for video captioning, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software, which you can also try for free in the description below. VidCap AI is definitely worth giving a shot, and who knows, it might just become your go-to tool for captions in the future. Let me know in the comments what you think about VidCap AI. And don't forget to check out those free trials linked below for more great AI software.